back to my channel. It's your girl Sumayyah. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Subscribe. Join our family. We are currently a small family, but we are growing every single day, okay? We're growing every single day. We're accepting applications. Join the family. Today I'm bringing you guys a pretty little thing, a try-on haul. If you're petite and you're small, and this is for you. If not, just keep on watching for the entertainment of this video. Alright, so the first thing that I have here for you guys is this white blazer dress. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is what it looks like. And it has a belt somewhere. It has a belt so you can wrap it around just for like the look. But yeah, I have this in a size 4. Well, it's okay, UK size 4, USA size 0, European size 32. Let's see. This is called the white ring belt blazer style dress in a 4. So this is how we're looking. This is the dress. Like I said, there's a belt and there's a zipper on the side. I guess to give you more space when you're trying it on. But this dress is very tight on me. It is very, very tight. When you wear this out, you're gonna have to be careful with what kind of underwear that you wear because, like I said, it's very tight. So if you're wearing panties, it will definitely just show through. But yeah, it has a belt. One thing I do not like about this dress is that this belt is very slippery. It just does not stay in place whatsoever. It moves a lot. So it could be like this for a while, but then after you start moving around and doing stuff, it's just gonna slip out and it's gonna be like this. So yeah, I like the dress, but there's nothing wrong with the dress. Like, mind you, there's nothing wrong with it. You can just literally just pin this and it will last longer. It will stay in place. But other than, like, overall, I love the dress. I think it looks good. It looks sexy. It's form-fitting. It's everything, you know. It's giving me like classy vibes. Like, yes, I'm here coming to the meeting. You know, just I'm here to slay. I'm here to slay. Okay. I want to stick with dresses first because I'm not wearing any pants or panties, so let's just do. Do I have any more dresses? What is this? Yeah, black pinch waist, black blazer. I don't know why they repeated black twice, but yeah, I think this one is the same thing as this dress, but just in black. So yeah, let's see. First of all, I look so cute. I look so cute. Okay, so I see what they mean when they say cinched, because literally your waist is cinched. Your waist is snatched. I think this is in a size 4, and I'm pretty small. I'm pretty small. Like, I ain't got no waist, but if you get this, I feel like you might want to go a size up, just because, look, it looks like I'm about to pop. So, I mean, if I maybe like get get a pen, and also like to hold this together, then it'll be fine. Another thing is it's a struggle to like button up this dress. Like, something is wrong with the space that they created for each button because it's very small. But it's like very tight here and then it flares out. So I think I would still, like, I'm happy with the size that I got. I would just put a pin here because if not, you know, yeah. You see what I mean? It's just this little part that I don't like. So I would probably just put a pin right there. Flares out. So, you know, I like it. It's a really good fit. It's just this one button right here. But this dress is sexy, y'all. It is sexy. Alright, let's see if we can do another dress. You know, keep this train rolling. So this is the dress. So this is the burgundy ribbed raunched, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's a midi dress. Is burgundy. Let's see what she looking like. Ooh, got this in a size UK 4, USA 0. So I got everything in pretty much like either 0 or 2, I think. But this is in a 0, and I really wanted, any dress like this, I really wanted to like be really tight and form-fitting. So yeah, that's why I got it in a 0. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing, okay? I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I think this is supposed to be off the shoulders. I think, because I really don't see how. Yeah, it's supposed to be off the shoulders. But guys, I'm feeling myself. I look so good. Everything is just, you know, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. Oh, let me lower this. So it is pretty long. It ends like right above, I can't really describe it, but this is what it looks like. I'm looking good. It looks so good. I love this. I feel like it complements my skin color. It just, you see what I mean? Get a size small so that it just hugs your figure and just, you know, snatches everything in. Now, mind you, I don't have any underwear on. So like, I don't know what it would look like if I had panties on. But usually, you know, I don't mind not wearing underwear underneath. And then I'm not really a huge fan of bras, but you know, a dress like this, you can't really wear a bra because obviously the straps, you know. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. What you think? What you think? You like it? What would you rate this dress? Would you rate it a 10? Because I give it a 10. This dress is perfect. And it does have like the string at the bottom, so if you wanted to like, you know, make it shorter or anything and have it like launched up in the middle, you could do that. But I like it long. I was actually gonna wear this to a party, but Miss Rona came along, you know, and she just canceled all plans. So here we are. So this is a black buckle belt crepe unitard. Yeah, that, whatever. And this is in a size 4. I think it is pretty low thin base because I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, it has a buckle in the front. Again, it is a UK 4, USA 0, European 32. So it is in a size 0. And again, I like it to be short. I like it to be tight, so it just hugs my figure. And I am pretty small. I think I only weigh like maybe 130, 125. I haven't weighed myself in a very long time, but I think I'm pretty small. I know the camera might make me look a little bigger, but I trust me, I am like this big. All right, so here is the unitard. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right or not. Correct me if I am wrong. But I like this. I like this. I look like I'm about to go hiking, or like I'm about to go meet Bae. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah, this is what it looks like. You know, it ends like right about here. There is no zipper or anything, so you literally just have to slip yourself into it. But yeah, we got a buckle right here for whatever reason. Probably just for aesthetic reasons. Yeah. But I really like this, you guys. What do you guys think? What would you rate this one? I should probably do one of those videos, like rate my outfits. I don't know if I'm gonna get to rate it. But she cute. She cute. I have a sweater. Okay, wait. This is called Sage Khaki Washed Ultimate Hoodie in a size small. the color. This nice olivey-ish color. I like it. It's cute. It's like, it's kind of oversized though, like swimming in it. I still like it. I just wanted to have something that's like really nice and comfortable that I could just throw on, still look cute, look casual, you know, that comfy, casual look. That. Has a hoodie. This tag is getting on my nerves. But yeah, my hair. I like it. What y'all think? Aside from this, I like it. It's just a regular hoodie, so it's not like, it's no big deal to it or anything. It's just a regular hoodie with pockets, because you know we need pockets. We need pockets. Okay. I have this top. This is called this is a black woven collar button detail blazer in the size UK 4, USA 0, 32 European. It does have a button on the inside, I guess for like extra security, you know, make sure it stays nice and tight and closed. I'm not gonna button each and every button because that's just too much work. But this is a fake pocket. Yeah, there's a fake pocket. But yeah, if it looks really nice, let me lower this more. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It fits me perfectly. Just I'm not going to button all the buttons. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I think this is like really nice and professional. I would probably wear this. If I do wear this to like an interview, of course, make sure you wear something underneath. Don't just let your boobies be out there saying hi to everyone. Excuse me. It's supposed to be uneven. You see that? Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about this. So next we have a jacket. What is this called? I'm making a mess. This is a black PU. I don't even know what does PU stand for? Huffer? Faux fur trim vintage style coat in a size, again, UK 4, USA 0, European 32. It's Pretty Little Thing based in the UK. Yes. Oh. Honey, I'm bougie. She bougie. She is motherfucking bougie. I am in love. I'm in love. Like this just it screams quality. It screams she's rich. Like it has, you know, the fur extends in the bottom all the way around on the sleeve. At the bottom of the sleeve there's a buckle right here. This one fell off, but you know, a buckle on each sleeve. So it looks like and then there's buttons at the bottom right here so you can close it, but the fur is like all the way inside, which I love. This will keep you nice and warm. But yeah guys, she rich, she bougie, nice. What y'all think? All right, so next we have this, why do they have these weird names that I cannot pronounce? Metallic wide leg flares. I don't know what the first word is, but yeah, these are wide leg flares in size small. This shit is my size. I kid you not. The pants start from here and ends all the way down to my feet. This is literally my size. Like how? How am I supposed to, this is a size small. How am I supposed to wear this? I don't understand. So the pants would have to be like this high, and then I would have to wear heels to make sure that I stay off the ground. This is the pants. It would have to be all the way up here, and it's probably not even gonna stay, it's probably gonna slide. But, ooh, that's hot. When you put these on, it feels like something is scratching your leg, you know? You just love that feeling, something just like, so cute. Like once you have it on, it's cute. Alright, last but not least, we have this black, again, PU. I don't even know what PU stands for, but PU high-waisted cigarette trouser in a size 4, which I believe is actually in a size 0 US. These are like leather pants. They're just classy leather pants. Okay, forget all the weird fancy. Yeah, my phone died and I just had to wait to let it charge and come back to life so I can show you guys this. But I completely forgot about this top that I also got from Pretty Little Thing. This top is one size, so whatever you get, this is what you get. You know, if it fits you, it fits you. If it doesn't, then it just doesn't. I do have it tucked in, but it is pretty long, and the zipper goes all the way down. And yeah, I'm wearing the high-waisted pants. Like I said, this is what it looks like. I do like that these pants still like give you some figure. It still shows it doesn't like, some pants when you wear them, it just gets rid of everything that you have. If you have a little bit of curves, they just like gone. So I do like that these pants still show you, you know, a little bit. It shows my figure. So it looks like I usually don't get pants because, like I said, you never know. But yeah, I like these pants. I like them. I feel like this could even be an outfit itself. Alright, my lovelies, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I am trying to grow, so I'm putting out all the content that I can. I have more try on hauls for you guys. I have more makeup looks. I want to do like a lifestyle type of vlog, but I honestly just don't know like what to vlog. Of course we have like the whole quarantine right now, so like you can't go out, you can't do anything. Life's kind of boring. So if you guys have any ideas, anything that you want to see me do, comment down below. You guys stay safe, stay protected, and I'll see you guys in my next video.